Friends, I welcome all of you in Basic Vedic Mathematics Course. Last time we had seen how to divide any number with the special number 9 in one straight line. In our traditional method, we used to take many steps while dividing any number, but in the Vedic method, we divide numbers in one straight line. So today, what you are going to see, today we will see in this session how to divide any number by the number 8. It's somewhat similar like the division of 9, but it has got some little difference from the division by 9. So we'll see that what is the difference. Number 1, this is our division by, this session is on division by 9. Division by 8. I think you remember that while doing division by 9, I pointed out that you have to remember what is the complement of the divisor while making the division. So in case of 9, the complement was 1. But in case of 8, the complement is what? 10 minus 8, and that is equal to 2. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. That is the complement. So 2 is the complement. So remember that. We'll use this complement while making the division by 8 as we did in case of 9 also. Well, so let us take an example. Let us take an example through which you will understand. Say for example, we want to divide 23 by 8. And as I did in case of 9, dividing by 9, write down the complement here as 2. Right? Later on, you did not write, you can remember. But right now, write it. So the first step is take down the number 2 as it is here. And you remember that in case of 9, we multiplied this complement with this number. So here the complement is 2. So we'll multiply 2 into 2, that is 4. Write down 4 here. And 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 does not go into it. So 7 is the remainder. So 2 is the quotient and 7 is the remainder. So what you have done? We have placed number 2 as the complement here. Then we've taken down 2 here. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Write down 4 here. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 is the remainder and 2 is the quotient. Okay? Now I think you understand it. It is somewhat similar like 9. Here the difference is this, that complement is here is instead of 1 it is 2. So every time we multiply with 2, right? And we add with the number in the upper line. Well, let us take another example. 34 divided by 8. Here again we write 2 here and here. Take down 3 and then 3 to the 6. Now 6 plus 4 is 10. 8 goes one time into it, 1 here. What's remaining? 10 minus 8 is 2. So I write 2 here. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2. So 4 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Okay? It's very simple, straight as it was in case of division by 9. Let us take the third example. 537 divided by 8. 537 divided by 8. Here, write down 2 here once again. 5 taken down. 5 into 2 is 10. So here it is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 8 goes one time into it, 1 here, and then 5 here. 8 plus 5, 13. Then 5 into 2 is 10. Write down 10 here. 10 into 7 is 17. 8 goes 2 times into it. 8 to the 16. What's remaining? 1. So the answer is 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. 67 and 1. 67 is the quotient. 1 is the remainder. I think you understood it by now. Well, let us see the next question. Let us divide 996 by 8. 996 by 8, complement 2 here, and then you see this is something different. This problem is something little different. Now you can find that the 8 goes into 9 one time. So write 1 here and put our 1 here. 8 goes 1 time into 9, so we write 1 at the left hand side and 1 here. Then 2 into 1, 2, write down this 2 here. 9 plus 2 is 11. 8 goes 1 time into it with the remainder. 11 minus 8 is 3 here. Then 3 to the 6. 6, 6, 12. 8 goes 1 time into it, write 1 here. And 12 minus 8 is 4, write 4 here. And ultimately 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 2, 4 by 4. 1 to 4 is the quotient, 4 is the remainder. So what you have done, I'll revise again. Now here, the moment we enter into it, we find that 8 goes into 9. Since 8 goes into 9, we'll write 1 here, and then 9 minus 8 is 1, so write 1 here. Then 2 into 1 is 2, write down 2 here. 9 plus 2 is 11. 8 goes 1 time into it, so we write 1 here. And 11 minus 8 is 3, write down 3 here. Now 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 goes 1 time into it, so write 1 here. What's remaining? 12 minus 8 is 4. So it's 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4 and 4. So 124 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. I hope you have understood it. This is a special example where the very first digit is divisible by 8. Well, let us see the next problem. The similar problem, I am doing it one more so that you can be sure about doing this kind of problem. 16 divided by 8. Again here, 9 is divisible by 8 by 1 time. So I write 1 here. And what's remaining? 9 minus 8 is 1 here. And here is 2. I don't write 2 here. You remember it. 2 into 1 is 2. We write down 2 here. 2 plus 1, 3. 8 does not go into it. So we write down 3 here. Now 3 into 2, 6. We write 6 here. 6 plus 6 is 12. 8 goes 1 time. What's remaining? 4. So the answer is 1, 1, 4 and 4. 1, 1, 4 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. 1 and 4 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. I think you have understood it. This question is clear to you? Well, let us take another question. A little bigger question is that 7, 8, 3, 4 divided by 8. Incidentally, 8 does not go into 7, so we will put down 7 here as it is. And there is 2, 7 to the 14, right here 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. How many times 8 goes into it? 2 times. 8 to the 16. 22 minus 16 is 6. Write down 6 here. 6 to the 12. Write down 12 here. 12 plus 3 is 15. 8 goes 1 time into it. 1. 15 minus 8 is 7. Write down 7 here. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 8 goes 2 times into it. And what's remaining? 18 minus 16 is 2. So 2 here. So here it's 9, 7, 9. 9, 79, 2 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. 9, 79 and 2. Right? I think you must have followed it. Now I'll do the next question. Well, next question is 5, 3, 2, 7, 2. This is the last question. I think you have followed it since you have done the similar problem in 9 also. Only thing is here 2 was the complement. So a little different. 8 here, 2 here. Later on you need not write 2 here. You can just remember 5 comes down here as it is. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 8 goes 1 time into it and 5 is the remainder here. 13 minus 8 is 5. 5 to the 10. 10 here. 10 plus 2 is 12. 8 goes 1 time into it. What's remaining? 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 here. 8 plus 7 is 15. 8 goes 1 time into it. 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 here. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 8 goes 2 times into it. 2 and 16 minus 16 is 0. So here the answer is 6, 6, 5, 9, and 6, 6, 5, 9 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. 6, 6, 5, 9 and the remainder is 0. This number is totally divisible by 8. Well, so I think now you have understood the problem, that how to divide any number with the number 8, keeping in mind that complement is 2 and multiplying that complement every time when you keep on doing the division process. Well, I'll give you some exercise to do so that you can practice it and become competent in doing this division easily. Well, the questions are 27 divided by 8, 69 divided by 8, 649 divided by 8, 744 divided by 8, 937 divided by 8, 6, 8, 3, 4, 6 divided by 8, and 8, 5, 6, 3, 2, 5 divided by 8. So I have given you 7 questions as your exercise. So please try to solve these problems yourself, and as much as you practice, you will become more proficient in solving these kinds of problems and doing this division easily. So you can make your own questions. You can make your own questions and solve those yourself, right? So what you have done today? Today you have learned how to divide any number by the number 8 in Nikhilam method, right? So, and by doing this, we have completed 2 numbers, division by 8 and the 9, which are in the basic level. Later on, you will learn how to divide the bigger numbers with the bigger divisors, right? That you will learn later. So, I think you have understood it and you could follow it, whatever I said here. But if you have got any question or any difficulty, please don't feel shy to write in the comments box. I'll be happy to respond to your questions. Also, if you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share it with others so that others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic mathematics. Well, next time what I'm going to do, next time I'm going to see another type of questions where we'll see how to square numbers, squaring of numbers. And squaring of numbers, specifically we'll see that how to square the numbers which are ending in 5. Squaring of numbers ending in 5, that we'll see in our next session, in the next lesson. So till the time I meet you again, all the best, please take care of yourself.